Okay, that was an explanation that used a lot of big words. Let's try to explain this in simpler terms, using the explain this to me as if I was a child way. Imagine you have a big box of Lego bricks and you want to build something cool with them, like a car. To build your car, you need to follow a set of instructions, step by step. Each step tells you which Lego bricks to pick and how to put them together. The instructions help you take the individual bricks and turn them into a car. Now, think of the Transformer architecture as a super smart Lego instruction book for making sentences and understanding language. But instead of Lego bricks, it uses words and phrases. It helps ChatGPT take words and sentences, understand what they mean, and produce the output. Here's how it works. First, the transformer breaks down a sentence into smaller pieces, like splitting a big Lego car into smaller sections. These sections are like the different parts of a sentence. Those are the words and phrases. Next, it pays special attention to how these pieces relate to each other, just like you might pay attention to how different Lego bricks fit together. This helps ChatGPT understand which words are important in a sentence and how they connect to each other. Then, it mixes the information from different parts of the sentence together, kind of like mixing different Lego pieces to build your car, which is what helps ChatGPT understand the overall meaning of the sentence. ChatGPT repeats this process for each sentence or question it gets, just like you would follow instructions for each step of your Lego car. It does this really quickly for a lot of sentences. So in a nutshell, the transformer architecture helps ChatGPT understand and generate human-like text by breaking down sentences, paying attention to important parts, mixing the information, and doing it all very fast. It's like magic. Like ChatGPT can talk with you and understand what you're saying. Just remember one thing, ChatGPT is one special type of model from the GPT family. Pretty soon we'll go beyond ChatGPT. But first, let me tell you about the evolution of the GPT model family.